Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are mixing foundations. That was so lame. I have seen this video go around so much and I literally watch every single one of them. I just want to see how like the coverage turns out. So yeah, I have already mixed my foundation. It's right here. I'm obviously going to share the mixing. I will link down the girl's name who originally created this video. And without further ado, if you want to see what my mixture of foundation looks like, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have it in the back of one of my makeup brushes and I'm going to just put it on. I think I've mixed like 20 foundation. It smells really good. I have more light to medium coverage foundation than medium to full, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we shall see. It smells really nice. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the color is obviously a little light. Oh my god. Look at my face and look at my neck. This is obviously a bit of a fail, but in saying that, all of the foundations that I have used, they've been bought more than a year ago, except I think the Urban Decay Naked Foundation or Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and the NYX Cosmetics Drop Foundation. Meaning I have tanned a ton, which not tanned actually, I've just been sunburnt. And so my neck is obviously a lot darker, if you can see. I don't know if you can tell. But if you match here to here, it'll match. Bit of a fail from my side. I was so excited. I thought I was going to come up with this whole new foundation color and I was going to love it. But, oh well. What are you going to do? I mean, I'm still going to go bronze up my face a little, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. After bronzing my face and doing the rest of my makeup, the color doesn't look so bad. I actually really like it. It looks so good. It's not, obviously, I think I said it previously, it's not as full coverage, but hey, I honestly don't care. It still looks bomb. So yeah, that was my version of mixing all my foundations together. I will list everything down below of whatever is on my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!